Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Okay, so hope you are well. And basically today is our first day. Okay, so we will continue our class. Our main target is that we complete all of the course topic which you already send me. Okay, so properly guidance you can get from me, as well as we also try to complete all of those things so that you can easily apply this type of you can learn all of the things you can easily apply, I hope. And after that you can also get the supported when you want to become a student from my institution. You can also get the support from any time. You can face any problem regarding any issue for this course, you can get the support. Okay, so let's go about today's class. Okay, so I simply start the recording because you can also get the recorded video class after completing that for your practice. So let's go. So now can you see my screen?
No, not yet.
Okay, so now I think it's visible. Okay, so now it's okay. Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah, can you see my screen?
But it is small. Let me do. It is very small.
Okay, so
No. Because they have no any background for Java and Python, you must give me introduction. For the first time to use this OGS, I didn't use before with a teacher. Only I see YouTube I see video in YouTube. So I have no background in Java and Python. You can tell me what it works.
Okay, so now can you see my screen fully?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's visible. Okay, so first of all I will try to discuss about your course module. You can already send me this proposal for your course content. So basically in this time, first topic is that you want to know about that Art Engine web application or Art Engine apps introduction. So basically Google Earth Engine, it's a totally cloud-based platform. Okay, and then second you want to also know about that Landsat, download Landsat 8 as well as the Sentinel-2 satellite image from the Google Earth Engine. Good. Google Earth Engine importing dataset, subset and clipping the image. It's also good. Google Earth Engine digital image processing of the Landsat 8 and Sentinel-2. Both of image you want to know about that, how can you easily make the digital image processing. And your main concern is that geology part. Okay. You also want to know for the supervised classification with Landsat 8 and Sentinel-2 satellite imagery using Google Earth Engine, and also use the different types of machine learning. Yeah. Also know about the supervised classification for the land cover mapping with Sentinel-8 in Google Earth Engine. Okay, I think you can also do for the same thing for the 2 time. Supervised classification. Okay, the same part. This is a totally 5 and 6.
Yeah, but it is a big. Yeah. The ferris is a big topic and.
Okay. And how to make NDVI map in Google Earth Engine? Calculated the NDVI using Google Earth Engine. NDVI map. You can also add the another thing is that NDVI time series chart. Okay, I also tried this because from this time series chart we can easily identify when the NDVI is the high, when the NDVI is the low. We can easily identify. Suppose you want to make the NDVI map for year of 2020. In this year, when the NDVI is the high, when month is the NDVI low, we can easily get the time series chart about that.
Okay. Please speak slowly.
Okay. Also you can see the Google Earth Engine raster reprojection. It also you can easily get that, no problem. How to resample Landsat data with Google Earth Engine. Download any image or dim hill shade solve map. It also is there, no problem. Developing an application in Google Earth Engine to create an image multi-composite. So mainly in this time you want to create this web application. From this web application you want to generate the different types of band composition or band composite, such as true color. Okay, then you can easily publish. When you want to make this create this type of application, you can easily make the publish. Okay, using this. Okay, so these are all of the course topic. If I want, I can complete all of the content within 1 day. There is no problem, but I will go to the slowly so that you can also learn and also practice. Okay. Okay, so first of all, okay, so basically in this time, first of all, I try to discuss about the Google Earth Engine introduction part, then move to the Google Earth Engine web application. Okay, first of all, we try to discuss about the Google Earth Engine, then move to the Google Earth Engine web application. Okay, so let's go our slide. I simply open it. So first of all, do you have any experience using the Google Earth Engine platform before? Have any experience using this platform?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. So do you have any experience using the programming language such as Python and JavaScript? Do you know the programming
No.
language? Okay. Okay.
I only have a background remote sensing satellite how it is acquisition
Okay.
the data and this, but I didn't have any.
Okay, good. Okay, no problem about that. I also try to complete this part. In this time, mainly we are using the JavaScript programming language. So that's why I also need to learn you some basic things of the JavaScript programming language. Then I hope you can easily learn all of the things and also get the code. Okay, so let's go. So first day. Okay, so it's not the first day. I want to try to start from the Google Earth Engine introduction from here. So introduction to the Google Earth Engine. In this time, I try to discuss about that what's the Google Earth Engine, then what's the application of Google Earth Engine, then how does the work, and then what's the advantage of using the Google Earth Engine, and how you can start this tool. Okay, so first of all, what is GEE? So basically Google Earth Engine, the short form is that GEE, and Google Earth Engine is a totally cloud based platform. Okay, it is a cloud based platform for geospatial analysis. We can do using the geospatial analysis, and it is a cloud based platform. Now what's the characteristics of the cloud based platform? Cloud based platform, when you want to use the cloud based platform, you don't need to download any types of software. Suppose, I hope you already work with the ArcMap software or ArcGIS or QGIS. Did you work with the ArcGIS or QGIS? This type of software did you use before?
Yes, I will use NGIS.
Okay, so then it is also better. So this type of software, ArcMap or ArcGIS or QGIS, is not a cloud based. Okay, so it's not a cloud based. So that's why when you want to use the cloud based platform, we don't need to download any types of software. Okay, when you use the cloud based platform, we don't need to download any types of software. We can do all of the things cloudly. Okay, so did you understand about the cloud based, this word? Did you understand about that? Cloud based?
No.
Okay, so cloud based is that work for the cloudy. So without downloading software, we can use the cloudly, or we can do for that website. Okay, so such a website,
Yeah.
we can write all of the things we can get from the website. Okay, without downloading software. Okay, so Google Earth Engine is a cloud based platform. Suppose, I hope you can also know about the YouTube. YouTube is a cloud based server or cloud based platform. Okay, YouTube has a server. This server stored all of the music, all of the video, okay, all of the things. It will be stored in a YouTube server. So YouTube is a cloud server. When you want to play the music, you need to go to the YouTube site, then you can play the music. So it is also cloud based platform for YouTube. When you want to work with the Facebook, Facebook is also cloud based platform, because you can upload the picture, you can post, all of the things will be stored in a server. It's called the Facebook server. In the meantime, in Google Earth Engine has its own server. So Google Earth Engine has a big server. In this server, it stored the different types of remotely sensed data. It stored the Landsat, it stored the Sentinel, it stored the MODIS. So all of those remotely sensed data is stored in here, cloudly. Okay, and when you want to play the music on YouTube, you don't need to download. You can simply open your network connection and play the music on the YouTube. In the same case, when you want to work with the Google Earth Engine platform, just you need to connect with internet and you can run this platform for your geospatial analysis. Same thing, all of the things, because YouTube has its own server and Google Earth Engine has their own server. Every cloud-based platform, it can be YouTube, it can be Facebook, it can be Instagram. All of those cloud-based platform has their own server, and all of the things stored it in the server. Okay, so I hope now you can understand about the cloud-based. What means about that? Okay, any question in here for the cloud-based part?
No.
Okay, so cloud-based platform for geospatial analysis, and in this cloud-based platform, we can easily access over 40 years of satellite imagery. In this platform, we can easily access all of the satellite imagery from the server. Okay, cloud-based platform means that server. In this server, we can access over 40 years of satellite imagery. It can be Landsat, it can be Sentinel, it can be MODIS. All of the satellite images we can easily access from here. Okay. After that,
what about Raster? Raster, it is allowed to.
Raster, yeah. For the DEM dataset is also available. Okay. Lot of dataset. You did not finish to read all of the dataset in Google Earth Engine platform, because this dataset is a lot of dataset available in here. Okay. Some dataset is the globally, some dataset is the regional. So, and this type of dataset updating daily. Okay, this type of data is updating daily. Okay, so there is a lot of data set, and how you can easily get the data, all of the things I will try to show you step by step, so you can easily understand. And then you can easily upload your own data set. Suppose you want to download a satellite image from other sources. Suppose Earth Explorer, you want to download a satellite image, or you want to download the boundary shape file anywhere. Now you want to work with this data set in Google Earth Engine platform. You can simply work with that. Suppose you want to buy some satellite images from the high resolution satellite images you can buy, such as Maxar satellite image, Sport satellite image. This is the image for the high resolution image, satellite image. You can easily upload your satellite image on Google Earth Engine and work with that.
It is a free
No. High resolution satellite image is not free. Okay. But high resolution you have to buy, and then but you can also work with the Google Earth Engine platform with high resolution satellite imagery. You can easily use the Google Earth Engine function, all of the things you can easily use that. There is no problem. And then you can easily apply the different types of algorithm. Suppose you want to make the NDVI, so now you can need to make the NDVI equation, near minus rate divided by near plus rate. Not only for that, any types of equation, any types of algorithm, anything you can easily do in your data. And finally, you can export your map. You can export the map as an image. You can export the time series chart. All of the things you can easily export from here. You want to easily export the Landsat image, Sentinel image, elevation, nighttime, land cover dataset, anything, any remote sensing data, you can easily extract from the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay. Okay, so this is the common summary for the Google Earth Engine. So mainly Google Earth Engine is a totally cloud-based platform. It's a cloud-based platform. That's why when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of software. In Google Earth Engine platform has its own server. In this server, we can easily access all of the data set. We can also upload your own data set and work with that. And we can easily apply the different types of algorithm in our data. And finally, we can easily get this, our product, land cover, elevation, which I want to need. Okay.
I have some question. You mean by Google Earth Engine, I able to make all processing and mapping geological map? It is no need to work in GIS or MV or.
Okay. So in this time, we can do all of those process, all of those algorithm we can do in Google Earth Engine platform, and final output we can take as a TP image. Suppose you want to make the land use land cover classification map. You download this land use land cover classification map as a TP image. This TP image we can use in the ArcGIS or ArcMap software for creating our beautiful maps as our research paper or our presentation. This type we can work with that. Okay. So basically it's provide you the TP image. This TP image we can also use for the ArcGIS. I also try to show you this, how can you do that. There is no problem. Okay. And then application. It is a lot of application, and day by day this application is also developed. New algorithm, new method is coming. So here I mentioned some of application which I already do. So here I mentioned some. You can see we can using this platform for detecting the deforestation for any region or any forest area. We can also do for the classifying the land use and land cover. We can also do for the estimating the forest biomass and carbon. We can also do for the mapping the word roadless areas. We can also do for the assessment of the plant health status. We can also do for the air quality monitoring. We can also do for the water quality monitoring. We can also do for the flood mapping and damage assessment. We can also do for the drought monitoring, burn severity mapping, and so on application. We can also do for the land surface temperature monitoring. Here I mentioned some application, but any remote sensing application we can easily handle using this Google Earth Engine platform, any types. So GE focused mainly society's biggest challenges such as deforestation, drought, climate change, then disaster, then diseases, then global food security and sustainability. So this step is the main focus on Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, and Google Earth Engine platform, a lot of time from you can also see the NASA. There are a lot of time there such project using the Google Earth Engine platform. Mainly they are focused all of those items when they are create their project work from the NASA or other types of research society. Okay, mainly they are focused on those all of those items. Okay, and then why this is important in Google Earth Engine platform is important at the present time because Google Earth Engine is a totally cloud-based platform. We don't need to download any types of software. We don't need to download of any types of satellite image. We don't need to download anything when you want to work with the Google Earth Engine platform. So it's reduce your time. So I hope you already know about that how we can easily create the land use land cover classification map using the ArcMap or QGIS. So basically when you want to do for this land use land cover classification map randomly using the ArcMap software or QGIS software, then you have to make the lot of process. So first of all you need to download the satellite image from any sources, then you need to make the merge, then mosaic, then also need the atmospheric correction. So lot of process when you want to do using the traditional software ArcMap or QGIS, lot of process you need to do. But in this time when you are using the Google Earth Engine platform, within 1 second or within 2 seconds you can easily make the land use land cover classification map for any big region. Okay, within very quick time we can easily do that. When your code is ready, you can simply import your shapefile, you can get the result. Okay, so first of all it reduces our time to the analysis and its computing power is very fast. We can access petabytes of data or more on the way. Okay, we can easily access petabytes of data or more on the way. And then it has some new feature. This feature will help you to remove the cloud from the satellite images. We can easily remove the cloud from the rainy season image or wet season image. As well as also it is a common platform for doing the global data analysis. We can easily do the global data analysis using this platform because all of the data so we can easily get as a globally. Okay. Then it has also some advantage as also some disadvantage is that. So first of all, when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you don't need to download any types of satellite images because all of the satellite images we can easily access from the Google Earth Engine server. It access to petabytes of data or more on the way. Its computing power is the very fast. So any big region
please, what do you know by pros and cons?
Okay, so pros is the meaning of the advantage. Advantage. What is the advantage? And cons is that disadvantage. Yeah. So advantage and disadvantage. So advantage is that you can see no downloading or local storage of the imagery, access to petabytes of data or more on the way. Google computing power is the very fast. And disadvantage or cons is that some programming language you also need to know. Okay. So basically it is a programming. You need to know some programming knowledge. But I also try to give you all of the basic programming knowledge. It's depend on internet connection. Basically it is a cloud-based platform. So that's why it depends on your internet connection. It primarily focuses on the raster based imagery. It has a lack of mature and detailed documentation, but I will provide you all of the documentation so that you can easily learn all of the things from here. Okay, and then how does the work? So mainly Google Earth Engine is a cloud-based platform. We already know. We need to write the code. This code send a message Earth Engine server. In a matter of second, this server send you response. Okay. Suppose you can write the code. This code send a message Earth Engine server. In a matter of second, you can get the response from the server. Suppose you need a Landsat image, so you can write the code for Landsat image. This code send a message in the Earth Engine server. In a matter of second, Earth Engine server send you Landsat image. Like this work, it will work. Okay. And software type is the web processing or cloud computing. And this is the main website, earthengine.google.org of the Google Earth Engine. This is the main website. As well as its accessibility is the online. When you want to work with this platform, you must be get the online connection. Your internet connection is on. Requirement. Okay. So when you want to use the Google Earth Engine platform, you need to register with a valid Google account. Okay. So did you complete this part for the registration with the Google Earth Engine? Did you complete this part?
Yeah, complete.
Okay, so great. You can already register and also get the successfully registration. Okay. So its computer system must be online, and image processing with visualization mainly to work, and the raster and vector work. So in this time you can already complete this part for the registration. Just we need to sign up and fill up, put your Google account. Okay, this is the same very easy way. Then fill up the form. Okay, then you can simply check your Gmail. You can get the check your Gmail. You can get the Gmail look like this. Welcome to Earth Engine. So now you can easily access their code editor. You can see Earth Engine code editor. Okay. So basically this is the Earth Engine code editor. In this code editor we can write our code.
Please, I registered by Google email. It not give me like that.
Okay, so
Can I show you?
Okay, so you can simply share your screen. I also check it. What message you can got? Did you get any message?
No, I didn't get any message, but it will open. It will open the wall.
Okay, so this type of interface you can open. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay, so then there is no problem. But you can also check your email. Then you can. I hope you can easily get the sum. Without that, you did not get this. I hope you can got the email, and this email can be a spam or other folder.
Yes.
You can check it. Yeah.
You can send me. You told me how to register like this by email. You can tell me after lecture.
Okay, there is no problem.
I show you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after, if you can complete the registration successfully, then when you can go to this link, you can see this is the link. Okay, code.earthengine.google.com. When you can go to this link, it automatically open this window. Okay. So now you can see here, I simply open my code editor because I already make the registration. So I simply open. So I simply go to this link. Okay. So you can simply go to this link and also try to check from your system it will be successfully open or not. So I simply send you the link in your, okay, I send in here. You can simply check it. It will be open or not. Okay. This is the link for the opening the code editor. We can open the code editor. You can simply go to click on here. It open the code editor. Okay. So just I simply click
Now?
go. Okay, you can check it. There is no problem. Simply go to this code editor and check it. Okay. So I simply go to this code editor. You can see I can get the code editor. Okay. This code editor we can work. Okay.
So let me to share.
Okay, you can share it. Okay, so I am stopping the sharing. You can also just share the screen. I check.
Why it is not?
So you can
Share.
further showing it showing.
Share your entire screen and share. I click share. Yes. Now it work.
Okay.
Let me do.
Okay, so now it's opening up. Okay, simply go to this link.
Okay. Can you send the link in WeChat, WhatsApp?
Okay.
Yes, I already have.
Okay, simply go to this. I also check. You can select your yeah which
You
account.
see my.
Yeah, I see.
I
Which
see.
email address you want to use, then simply use that, and then I hope it will be work. Yeah.
Why it not work?
I think some problem in your password, so that's why it not open.
No, I work with this. No, no, no. Let me to open with me. Let me. I have search here.
Okay,
Google.
okay.
I Google engine. Google Earth engine, and then Google Earth engine.
And from that, go to the code editor.
Yeah, and then go to get start.
Yeah. So now it's opening. Yeah. Register with the cloud project. Okay. So in this time, you can simply work something about that. Use with a cloud project. You can simply use with a cloud project.
No, 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 no. I only
Use it with a cloud project. Simply.
use platform code editor.
Okay. We need to registration with.
It is not okay.
Okay. So it's also okay. So you can simply click on the search bar.
You need to register.
Okay, registration is already completed. Okay, successfully completed. There is no problem. Okay, there you can successfully completed the registration. Yeah, and you can see in also here it also showing your email address logo. Okay, so email address logo you can also get in here. Okay, so successfully registration. There is no problem. Okay, okay, so it's work. There is no problem. Okay, okay. So I simply share my
But I
screen.
think the screen, my screen, it is like you.
Yeah, same. Okay, same. There is no problem. I hope it will be work.
Okay, okay. No.
Okay, so you can also check in here. You can also get your logo, your Gmail ID logo. Okay, in the site you can also get the Gmail ID logo. Okay, it means that you're successfully you can registration with your Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, so now we talk about our topic about that how you can easily work with that. So first of all, Earth Engine web application. In this time, I talk about that. So Google Earth Engine has another benefit. This benefit is that we can easily make the different types of web application, and we can easily publish our web application. And this tab you can see apps tab. So mainly it manages our web application. So here I already work for the different types of web application, and from that I also try to show you that how you can easily publish this type of web application in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, after creating any types of web application for that, then we can easily show you that. Okay, so suppose you need to work for the this web application. Okay, developing the application for the Google Earth Engine to create an image composite multi-parameter. We also try to discuss about that how can you easily publish this type of web application. But here I already published some web application. You can say I simply go to my gallery. So in my gallery, so this is my gallery link. Okay, gallery link. From that anyone can easily access my all of the web application which I already work. Okay, so such as you can say I simply open some application. Suppose this is the agriculture drought monitoring web application. And this is also you can see Bangladesh drought monitoring, EVI, NDVI trend monitoring. Also you can see chart NDVI over time of period of Bangladesh. Also you can see leaf area index. Also you can see land use land cover classification web application. Also you can see water quality web application. Also you can see night light map of web application. So this type of application we can easily create in Google Earth Engine platform. And for our research paper, so you want to make the research paper, we can simply mention this web application link. Okay, then anyone can read this your paper, as well as anyone can easily access and also get the result from this web application. Okay, Okay, so in this time here you can see we can work with this web application. Suppose basically this is a drought monitoring. So here you can see this web application. You can simply add our study area. Suppose I want to work with this study area, and also increase. Suppose I need the data for 2019, and also I can simply select. Suppose I want to need the data for the VCI, vegetation condition index, and I can simply select my time period. Suppose look like this and run. So now for this region, for this district, what is the condition of drought based on vegetation condition index? Okay, where is the extreme dry?
What?
Where is the dry? It is the
This is
vegetation.
the Explorer.
Yeah.
How can you get this website? This is for UCGS.
No, it using the Google Earth Engine apps. You can see Earth Engine apps.
Apps.
Yeah, web application of Earth Engine, and all of the code we can also write the backend code. All of the things we happen in here, because in the backend we can do all of the things. Suppose in the backend code we can import it, or all of the things we can import it. Okay, so now we can get the results such as extreme dry, severe dry, moderate dry, normal, wet, all of the things in this place where the hazard index of the drought we can easily identify for this region, and also get the time series chart. Okay, also you can see another application is that mainly the trend inspection we can do for the trend inspection chart. Suppose I click on this any region of the Bangladesh, so now I can get what is the condition for the specific coordinate, specific latitude and longitude for the EVI and NDVI.
Can you work training in Sudan?
Any region, there is no problem.
Yeah, it is the Sudan. It is
Yeah.
for me to be familiar.
Okay,
And
there is
I will show you my target area.
okay, there is no problem. When I want to do for the practical work, I also try to use your own region. Then it is also better for you. Yeah.
Okay.
Also, you can see another application is that for the creating the time series chart. So I simply click on here for the any location. It provides me the specific coordinate, and for this coordinate, what is the condition of the NDVI for the different time period? We can easily identify. Click on here. I can get this for this coordinate. What is the condition of the NDVI? Also, you can see the leaf area index. So basically, this is the global web application. Suppose I want to, I simply select my polygon. Suppose this is my polygon. This polygon, I simply select that. So now what is the condition of the leaf area index for this region? We can easily identify this type of map. Where is the low, where is the high, we can easily identify, as well as we can also get the time series chart about that. Also, you can see the, so basically it's only for the showing the land use land cover classification map of Bangladesh. Okay, just it's showing the display our result, only display the result about the land use land cover classification map. Where is the build up area? We can get we can easily zoom, and we can easily get the better view of all of our feature. Suppose this red color identify the build up area. So this type of purple color identify the cultivated region. So this is the water body. Okay, so all of the things we can easily identify from this web application of land use land cover classification map of Bangladesh. Also, you can see this is the water quality web application. So basically this web application we are using for what is the condition for the different region or different water body of the pond or lake. This type of water body we can easily identify. Suppose I simply select the time period. You can get the time period. Suppose look like this, and also select this in time period such as suppose look like this, and also draw the ROI. Simply draw this ROI, and also put the value which you want to calculate. Suppose I want to calculate the turbidity. Simply select the turbidity and click to the run. So now it displays the result about the turbidity. What is the condition of the turbidity between this time period which I select in here, and also get me the time series chart about the turbidity, when it will be high, when it will be low, as well as I want to calculate the suppose chlorophyll and submit. So now I can get what is the condition of the chlorophyll. Okay, you can see chlorophyll, and also get the suppose total suspended solid on water. Now I can get about the total suspended solid for this region. We can also get the legend. You can see. Also, we can get the time series chart. From this time series chart, we can get and also get the animation, changing animation of the turbidity between this time period. We can easily get from here. Okay. Also, you can see this loaded as the water. This for this reason, this is the high TSS, and for this low, okay, also you can see high TSS in here, okay, from the list you can easily identify between this time period, and we can get the time series chart. You can see, simply click on here, and now we can easily download the time series chart in Excel file. Okay, you can see this is a showing this value when in high, the 11 March 2020 we can get the high TSS.
Teacher. Yes, I think I didn't need this. I only need to download the process of satellite image like
I understand about that.
Then process. I didn't want to lose my time in something not
understand. Okay, I understand about that. Okay, so for that, in this time I try to discuss about that web application. We can use the different types of web application using this Google Earth Engine platform and work for our remote sensing work. Okay, for the different work, for the drought monitoring, all of this we can easily do. So in this time I try to show you that how you can easily work with the Landsat image. Okay, so today I try to discuss about the Landsat, and next day we also try to discuss about the Sentinel. Today we try to talk about the how you can easily get the Landsat image. You can easily export the Landsat image. You can also make the NDVI map using the Landsat image. Okay, so let's go.
First of all, I want to know how can I download, because I tried, but the code when I make ROI, they said to me, you did not input marks, latitude and longitude. I want to know how can I download and how can I export this data to another.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, so in this time we try to discuss about that. So you can simply go to the browse data catalog. Browse data catalog I can get, and here I can get all of the data set. All of the data set we can easily access from here. You can see the Landsat, MODIS, Sentinel. You can see the code editor and go to the browse data catalog. Click on here. It open a new link. Okay, and then you can see the Landsat.
I think here in search browse one by one, please.
I don't understand.
Please, teacher, one by one. What you do?
Okay, you can simply.
Yes, you cannot go fast.
Okay, click on here. You can see search bar. Okay. After click on the browse data catalog. Okay. Then it open this link and it open this page website. Okay. And then you can simply click on the Landsat. You can see Landsat. Click on here Landsat.
Yeah.
So now I can get all of those Landsat image collection. You can see Landsat 9, Landsat 8, Landsat 7, Landsat 5, Landsat 4, Landsat 1 to 5.
Yeah.
So all of this image collection I want to got. Suppose I want to work with the Landsat 8. Okay, so simply click on the Landsat 8.
Yeah.
So now you can get all of the Landsat image collections, such as you can see surface reflectance image, top of atmospheric image, raw image. In this time, which image you want to need? Same process. All of those are the same process.
Surface reflectance.
Surface reflectance. Okay. Simply click on the surface reflectance. So now I can get all of the information about the surface reflectance. For the Landsat 8, we can get the dataset between this time period 2013 03 18 from 2013 05 08. Between this time period, I can get this image collection of the Landsat 8 surface reflectance. Okay. So also you can see the resolution 30 meter, all of the band I can get in here. Okay. So in this time I want to work with this. So first of all, I need to copy this Earth Engine snippet. This is, I simply copy that. Simply copy. Okay. And paste in my code editor. Okay. And then I simply give a variable name. Variable is that variable mainly store at anything. Okay. Suppose I put the name, suppose L8. Okay. Then I put the name L8. Okay. It means that in this time, all of those image collection is stored in here. Okay. So all of this image collection is storing this name L8. And it is a JavaScript programming. So that's why we need to define a variable name, use at the var keyword. Okay. So after var keyword, I put the variable name and then paste the image Earth Engine snippet. This simply copy that. Okay. So in this time, this is the variable name. Okay. This L8, it stored the image collection. Okay. Any question in here you can ask me. Any question in here you can ask me for the line 1 number of code. You can use any variable name. I use here the LA. If you want, you can use here the land set. No problem. If you want, you can use here the LA. There is a no problem. Variable name can be anything. Okay, anything you can write. There is no problem. And it's the var keyword.
Variable answer. And then the code.
Okay, no problem. You can use here the land set. Land set. Okay. So in this time, my full image collection is stored in this variable. And this var and this keyword is that constant. Okay. So before the variable name, we need to write the var keyword all time.
Okay.
Okay. So I hope you can got. In this time, I want to check how many images are available for the whole world between the time period year of 2013 to 2023. Between this time period, how many images are available in the Landsat 8 surface reflectance? I want to check it, this value. So for that, I simply use the print function. Okay. So mainly print is a function. What is the task? This task is that it's printing the output. So in this time, I simply copy the Landsat and paste here. Okay, because image collection, all of this image collection is stored here. Okay, and I use a function, this function called the size function. Okay, size, what is the size function? Mainly size function counting how many images are available. Okay, so now check, click to the run. Now you can see it's showing the number computing. So it's showing the number computing, and it also calculating how many images are available in this image collection between the time period year of 2013 to 2023. How many images are available? You can check. It counting. We can get the lot of images, more than 1 million. It working. Okay, you can see I can get the more than 1 million images. Okay, so in this time I can get the lot of images for the whole world, but I don't need for the whole world. I need only for the Sudan. Okay, or any local region of Sudan. Okay, so in this time I can get for the whole Sudan. Okay, so now here I can get the Sudan shapefile. I can get the Sudan shapefile in Google Earth Engine also. You can see I simply search here US DOS. So this is an another data set. Okay, basically this data set provide you the Sudan country boundary shapefile, not only for the Sudan, any country boundary shapefile you can get from here. Okay, so in this time I simply import that. You can see import button. Okay, import. So now it imported. You can see table. Okay, in this time this table is stored the all of the country boundary. All of those country boundary in the world is stored. From that, I need to separate only for the Sudan. So how can I do that? I simply take a variable, suppose Sudan. You can use any variable name. Then equal sign, call the table, and use at the filter function. How I can filter? Earth Engine filter dot equal. What's equal what? I simply put here the country NA and put this country name, suppose Sudan. Okay, I want to just show the result as a layer, map.addLayer function. I want to add a layer of Sudan boundary. Okay, so I use at the map.addLayer function and call this variable name Sudan and paste here and click to the run. So now it displays the layer. You can see. Okay, so Sudan shapefile is not Sudan. So is it US recognized name? Okay, I check it the result, just a minute. So it's available or not. I simply copy this link from here, all of those country code, and check about the Sudan country code. Saudi Arabia, Sudan, okay, SU, okay, Sudan for SU. So in this time, I want to just change here. You can see country code, okay. So I use here the country code. So put here the country code, CO, and put here this SU. So now let's check. Why it's not showing? Map dot center object, okay, so it not display this on map. Why? Okay, so Sudan is a country, yeah, but why it's not come? Okay, so now it will be work. Okay, done. I put the wrong spelling in here. Okay, so that's why it's not opening first time. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so first time I put the wrong spelling country. So in this time you can say country code. I put the SU. SU means that you can see Sudan country code. Okay. If you want, you can also use here the country name. Country name will be, then put here the NA. Okay, and put this country such as SUDN. Now it will be work, I think. Yeah, working. So in this time, I can get the large number of image collection for the whole world. Okay, for the whole world, I can get the more than 1 million. But I don't need for the whole world. I need only for the Sudan.
Yeah.
Okay, so for that, I need to use a function. This function called filter bounds function. Okay, in this time, you can see in this image collection for the whole world. Okay, this is the whole world image collection. But in this time, I want to define a filter boundary. I don't need for the whole world. I need only for this boundary. Okay, and this boundary is stored in a variable. This variable name is the Sudan. Simply copy, because this Sudan is stored in here. So I simply copy. I don't need for the whole world. It is stored. You can see this image collection is stored for the whole world. From the whole world, I want to need filter only for this boundary of Sudan. Okay, now check how many images are available for the Sudan. Click to the run. Now it's showing it. Now it computing the image only for the Sudan. You can check how many images you can got. Okay, so in this time you can see, first time we can get the more than 1 million, but in this time we can get only for the, I also need to filter other things. So from 20,000 images, I want to need only for those images, which image will be not more than 1% cloud cover. Okay, which image will be not more than 1% cloud cover. I need to filter this image, which image will be not more than 1% cloud cover. Okay, so for that, I can simply use the another function. So I put the function, suppose filter metadata. Okay, and then I need to put here the image properties name. I need less than 1% cloud cover. So you can check the image properties name in here. You can see image properties. Here you can see cloud cover. Simply copy that and then simply paste here cloud cover. Then put here the less than and set the value for 1. In this time, when I run the code, I can get, after filter boundary, I can get 20,828. In this time, from 20,828, I need only for this image, which image will be not more than 1% cloud cover. Okay, less than 1% cloud cover. Now I check how many images are available which are less than 1% cloud cover for my region of Sudan. So it counting the value in this time. You can see how many images are available. You can check it. In this time, you can say I can get the 12,000. 12,355 images are available, and this image is the less than 1% cloud cover. Okay, I can get 1% cloud cover is that 12,355. Okay, and now you can ask me a question: what is the time frame? What is the time boundary? This time boundary is that between this time boundary. Okay, but I don't need for the full time boundary. I need only for the specific year. I need the image for a specific time period, such as dry season, such as rainy season. Okay, for a specific time period, I need this image. So for that, I need to use another function. This function called filter date function. Okay, and put here the start date and indent. You can put your own time period, which time period you want to need. Okay, so I simply put the time period such as year of 2000, suppose 20, 1st January from suppose 2020, and then December 31. I can need only for the year of 2020. Okay, so now I just simply click on here and check how many images from 12,355, how many images are available year of 2020. I want to check it. Okay, so let's go. Click to the run.
I can't understand why.
Okay, so what's function you don't understand? You can ask me.
Really, I didn't understand what you work because this is a code. It's so difficult. From where can I get them? I try to follow you, but for me it's so difficult.
Not difficult. You can just practice. I hope you can understand about that all of the things, and it's the very easiest way. Just you need to
was allowed to find this code ready and put it copy paste.
Yeah, allow. Yeah. Okay. For that, I also give you all of this practice code. Okay. Suppose this code I write, but I also send you this code. So that's why you can all. Yeah.
Yes, I feeling not understand, and I'm afraid.
There is no afraid about that. It's very easy. Just you have to know. You have to just interest about that, and all of the things will be easily you can got. I hope, because it's very easy way you can learn. Okay, and all of the things will be same process when you want to work. So in this time, I again explain there is no problem. You can ask me any question for any time. There is no problem. But your main concern is that you have to learn it and also write the code alone. Yeah. Okay, so in this time you can see I can get the result for the 12,304. Sorry, 1,234. Okay, so these images are available year of 2020. Okay, so I again explain. First of all, you can see I simply import the image collection. I can get the more than 1 million images. But I don't need for the whole world. I need only for my region of Sudan, and this Sudan I store it in this variable name. Okay, and after that I simply use the filter metadata and need only for those image which image is the less than 1% cloud cover less than 1%. And finally I also need this image for year of 2020. So now I can get the image 1234 images for this region, for this whole country, because this is the big region. So that's why we can get the big number of satellite imagery for this region. Okay. So now you can show the result about this satellite images. Okay, there's a lot of way for showing this result. In this time, if you want, you can calculate the median pixel value from all of those images. From all of those images, you create the median composite. Okay, so for that I can simply use a function median. Okay, in this time when I want to add here the median, what is that? In this time it create only for the one image. Okay, from all of those images create the median image. Okay, all of those image pixel value create the median pixel value. So in this time I simply use here this clip function, clip with my boundary. Okay, so without the clip I first of all try to show the result. Suppose click to the run. In this time you can see how many images I want to got. In this time it's showing this line size is not function. Okay, in this time I want to just show the result. So put that map dot add layer and call the landscape and click to the run. In this time you can see what result we can got. You can check. In this time one satellite layer will also added in here. And it is a very big country, so that's a lot of images we need to add in here. You can see it will be loaded. Okay, you can see I can get this satellite image. Okay, I can get the satellite image. In this time you can see it not clipping with my shapefile. Okay, so that's why I also need to, you can see some extra site is also available. Okay, so in this time I want to just use a function, this function called the clip function. Simply use at the clip with Sudan. Okay, and why I write the Sudan? Because Sudan is a country boundary shapefile. I clip with this country boundary shape. Click to the run. In this time you can see I can get the result only for my country boundary. I don't get the any extra part. Okay, you can see in this time from here I can use the different types of band combination. You can see in this time it's showing the B1, B2 and B3. I want to add here the red, also add here the green and then blue. Increase the reflectance range 98%. And then I simply apply, then I can get the true color composite. So you can say I click to the apply. So now this image showing the result as a true color composite. You can see. Okay, so now it's showing the true color composite. I simply show the result. You can see we can get the true color composite of the landscape image for year of 2020. Okay, suppose you want to add here the another composite, suppose B5, then put here the B4, then B2. Okay, then apply. So now I can get the, I think it's a false color composite. Other types of composite we can easily create it. So any types of composite we can create in here. Okay, also you can, suppose you want to use here this suppose short wave infrared 1, then near infrared, and put here the green. So now we can easily identify the vegetation, this type of color identify vegetation. Basically different types of band combination identify the different types of vegetation. Okay, we can easily identify. We are using the different types of band composite or identify the different types of feature on the surface. Okay.
Please, can you make me to try to do this?
Also, you can see this is that water body. Yeah, what you can say?
I want to try to download satellite for my target area.
Okay. In this time, I want to download this satellite image. Suppose this satellite image I can got in here. Okay. So now I want to download this satellite image. Okay. And work with the other software. It also possible. You can easily download the satellite image from here.
I can able to download all satellite image from Sudan now.
Now you can easily download the all of the for the whole Sudan. There is no problem. Okay. Or if you have any specific region, then you can easily work with that. Okay. You can simply import your shape file. Okay. Did you make the shape file about your region? Send me that. Okay. Just send me in my email.
Only I have coordinate. I didn't prepare shape file until now. Only
okay.
I have,
so for that, you have to make the shape file.
Yes. Let me to make copy and send it to you first.
Okay.
Because I want to work in this area only. I want to make process and make anything.
Okay, send me this area. It also better for your analysis also. Yeah.
Okay. Now I sent it. I prefer to work on my area and step by step, because now I see my head confusion. I am confusion, not able to follow you what you do. But if you focus in one area, I think it for me it is
yeah. Okay, so you can also send me this the shape file tomorrow. Then we also try to do for the other further analysis for this work.
Yes, please now we can stop here. Let me to prepare shape file.
Yeah.
And yes, and try to start from download the scene.
Okay. Yes. In the meantime, I also send you the code. If possible, you can also try to open the code link. Okay, in your browser. Okay, then it also for your you can also check the image in your browser. I'll also send you this code in your WhatsApp. You can try to open that. I hope it will be opening if there is no problem.
Yes, please, because I think I'm not successful in signing to Google Earth engine.
Okay, so try. Yeah.
Yes. You recommended me to apply again or what?
Okay, so in this time, it also okay. There is no problem. Just you need to create the cloud project. Okay, one option is coming in here for the cloud project. Okay, I also check see about that. You need to create the cloud project. Then you can easily do that. There is no problem about that. Okay.
Yes. Only I want to focus in my area to make project. Only like that. I didn't want to know only the tool I need in my project.
Okay. There is no. Okay.
You get me?
Okay. Okay.
Because I first of all I want to know the code of download my target area and how can I did, and then how can I make process. I think it is this successful for me and you.
Okay.
I prefer to stop here. Let me to prepare shape file, and I send to you also coordinate.
Okay.
To prepare shape file.
Okay, so you can
I try tomorrow and contact with my friend to send to you the payment in.
Okay. And tomorrow we also meet at the same time. Okay, same time, because in this time tomorrow I also available. So basically I am available for the Friday, Saturday, Tuesday, and Thursday.
Tomorrow we cannot do. No problem. Okay. You can prepare. Yes, no problem. Your first of all, we can prepare myself to and show you how can I work, because now you start for big thing. I think it is for me not easy because I'm not fluent in English, as you know. I try to follow you, and you please speak slowly to get you. I only want to make project for this my area because I want to make geochemical, and only I focus in my area.
Okay, there is no problem.
Yeah. Okay, now I send the coordinate and try. First of all, I want to know I'm signed successful in Google Earth because I want to reach all code and all things without any problems.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you can do that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow. I will send message to you to understand me more.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for
Thank you
joining.
very much.
Okay, have a good
Thank
day
you.
on it. Okay, bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, bye.